Hello. Today I am showing you the best call history recovery to recover deleted call history without backup. To choose a good data recovery tool, you should consider the following. Verify that it is a program with a successful call history retrieval rate, which has various methods or recovery modes. It must also support multiple file types, plus selective recovery. You must have a preview of the call history that you want to recover. See what data loss scenarios supports. The program should be easy to use and well priced. But don't worry. To save you time, I found the right program for you. Its name is Eassiy iPhone Data Recovery. This program has the highest rate of recovering data from iOS devices for call history in the industry. It has 3 recovery modes available. They are recovered directly from iOS devices, backed up by iTunes and iCloud. Supports over 36 file types, including WhatsApp and Snapchat messages, the industry leader in supported file types. You can selectively recover iPhone data. Preview the calls you want to recover. Também lidia con multiples scenarios de perdida de dados. Por ejemplo, dados por agua, accidente automobilístico, actualización, degradación, eliminación accidental de datos, robo, etc. El programa es muy fácil de usar. The price of the programs in the market is from $49 to $89. Only for one iOS device, but Eassiy iPhone data recovery price is $45 per quarter for 6 iOS devices. It's great, right? Now I show you how to use it. You just have to download the application by sliding in the description of this video. This would be the main screen. In the program, select the first option and then connect your iPhone. Tap on Scan and wait for the deep scan that the program performs to collect all the data from your iPhone, including call history, to finish. Once the scan is complete, everything the program found should appear here. Call history, text messages and contacts, and much more. All very well detailed. To recover everything, you just have to select the options below to recover. That's all. Now let's move on to another way to recover call history. But for this one you need a backup. For the second way, we will do it with the iTunes tool. You just have to connect your phone and look for the backup saved on your iPhone. Select Restore Backup and voila! Your device will reboot and appear with all the data from the backup. The third way to restore calls on your iPhone is with iCloud. You must also have a backup for this to work. Just enter the official iCloud page. Enter your account and everything you have saved should appear here. If you have contacts and photos, it also appears here. As you can see, everything I have saved appears here. It's just a matter of selecting and downloading. That's all. We reach the end of the video. Please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.